I'm gonna go dirt bike over to Quick Trip.
Okay. You're gonna take out, unplug it, take the 2 bolts out.
I just remembered I can't leave if you're here.
Struggle to remove this because they suck. Make sure to do it while the engine is piss hot so that you burn your arm the entire time. That's an important step. You have to do it. Oh, fuck. Take that off.
Yeah, I have a new one of those.
Do you?
Yeah. Cool.
Okay. Holy fuck. Wait. Put the, in here too. You got about 3 more times of me fucking with this goddamn fiberglass cheap replacement fan shroud before I tell you to fuck off. Take that bullshit out. Go to the hardware store, buy a bolt. Do you not remember what the fucking thread pitch is for this? I think it was like M10 by 1.
M10 by 1.5.
Okay, one of those 2. Doesn't really matter because you only have to get like 1 thread. Like that's like 1 thread. And pull. There it is. Installation is the opposite.
It's about to drip hot oil on your finger.
That is perfectly okay.